Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making a turkey meatloaf parmesan. So yeah, these are my ingredients. So let's get started. Alright, so to my bowl here, I'm gonna add this green stuff. Now this is scallions, peppers, a lot of garlic, and yeah, that's pretty much it. No onion, I used scallions instead, and sweet bell pepper. Then you're gonna add the eggs right down in there. I'm gonna season this up with some pepper and salt. Of course, do not leave your salt and pepper out. I know some of y'all don't season your food. Put your salt and pepper down in there. And yeah, then you're going to add your breadcrumbs. I'm using Italian style Kroger brand breadcrumbs. Let me zoom in to make sure you guys can see. There we go. That's what I'm using. You want to sprinkle a little bit in there. Don't forget, all measurement ingredients will be in my description box, so just click it below. And this is what my meatloaf looks like in the pan. I had extra butter on my fingers after greasing my pan, so I just wiped it on the meatloaf. This is what the meatloaf looks like after being in the oven on 375 for 30 minutes. Now you're just going to slather on your marinara sauce, whether homemade or store-bought, whichever you prefer. Slather it on there, but using a brush to make sure that you really get it on there like in a good way, not just pouring it on there and making it look very sloppy. You want to pop this right back in the oven for another 10 minutes so that it can tighten up. Over here in this bowl, you're going to add some breadcrumbs. This is going to be the topping for the meatloaf. You're also going to add some grated Parmesan cheese, and you're also going to add some mozzarella cheese. And you're going to mix this up, and we're basically just going to put it on top of the meatloaf. So just mix it really well. Once the meatloaf is out the oven, we'll add this on top. Alright, so here's my meatloaf. Now you're just going to take that cheese mixture and just pile it all over the top. It looks like a lot, but once it bakes down, you're going to see how it looks. It's going to look, perfect. Yeah, so it smells amazing, by the way, because it has lots of garlic in there. So like I said, remember to check out my description box. Everything will be below, as well as my social media. Y'all need to blow up my social media now, because follow me on social media so you don't miss out on recipes. Alright, so this is what it looks like fresh out the oven. As you can see, the cheese mixture is nice and bubbly on top. And I basically ruined my pan, but that's okay. And yeah. So I'm serving this up with some cauliflower, and this is what it looks like. All I did was drizzled on some coconut oil, salt, pepper, and some Parmesan cheese and some breadcrumbs, and I baked it off in the oven. That's all I did to the cauliflower on 375. Now the meatloaf, this is what it looks like sliced up. And I just sliced up some fresh basil on top just to finish it off. I can't even tell you guys how good this smells. It smells amazing. So I really hope you guys give it a try. And these are my pictures. I hope you guys like them. I put a lot of effort into taking my pics. I'll catch you guys next time on my next one. Bye.